Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Hey everyone, so today I am working with one of the page kits I put together last month filled with Felicity Jane. I just gone through my box, well it's not really a box, it's a bag, my bag of Felicity Jane and pulled out things I thought would work well together. And these are smaller kits, so these are really just meant to make 1 to 2 pages. So I do have one page I'm going to make right now, and that is of my doggy Sadie. Now you might hear some jingling going around in the background. We are dog sitting and that dog wears his tags and isn't terrified of them as Sadie is. So instead I carry her tags in my purse because if we try to get her to wear them, she freaks out. All right, randomly chatting. Sorry, folks. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead and get you guys put on fast forward and make this layout. All right, let's get going. Hey, yeah, so terribly sorry about accidentally flipping y'all off. I didn't even realize I did it until I watched the video back. I'm going, oh my gosh, I'm totally, like, that's my middle finger, not my pointer finger. I'm a dork. Alrighty, let's actually talk about the layout. So as I said, I made up these page kits back in May, and I actually finished working with them at the beginning, middle-ish of June, but obviously the videos take a while to go up, and I had my Christmas in July, Crafty Christmas in July series that I was working on with a bunch of other talented ladies, so I wasn't putting up as many regular videos. So I usually run about 2 to 3 weeks behind from when I do the video, when I do the layout until I have the video up on YouTube, but I'm about a month and a half behind at this point due to the Christmas layouts. All right, so I have 2 photos. One I have trimmed down to a 4x4. They are both of my dog, Sadie. They are both not great photos, but they are taken in my darkened bedroom at about 5:30, 5:45 in the morning because this is the time I had to take the photos in order to tell the story I wanted to tell. So I am double matting the larger photo where you see my dog's face. The other photo is actually what she looks like normally for the importance of this story, but when I took her photo in the first one, she turned around to look at me. So I've got this floral. It's one of my favorite florals that Felicity Jane has ever done, and so I wanted to use it as a background. So I'm going to do that, and then basically I'm going to make a rectangular grid in the top third of that page. And that's where the majority of my layout is going to occur. I am using these Pebbles Squad Goals word thickers for my title, which is very simply going to be hi. I have it right now on my photo, but it's not good. It doesn't read well. There isn't an emphasis on it. So what I do is I take this doily and I'm going to do it half and half. And I do half over here on the photos. The emphasis of this photo is not meant to be my slippers, so I have no problem covering them up because really I want the focus to be on Sadie, and this doily helps put the focus because it comes right up to her in the photo. So I was super happy about that. I'm adding that file tab above the photo, but I'm going to go back and add something else as well. I'm also going to add the true story die cut along with some flare and some little circular chipboard pieces. Now, the larger flare underneath the word true story, that's just a random one I have from somewhere. The smaller one at the top, that is from Felicity Jane. And then I'm also adding that epoxy sticker button underneath the word hi. That is from an older Dear Lizzy collection. I'm giving the thumbs down because I accidentally tore my doily, but it's going to be fine. I managed to add glue and fix it in the edit, as they say. I don't know if anyone actually says that or if it's just something in my brain. Okay, so then I'm going to use that as a layer for the rest of my embellishments on the top of that second photo. I also add one of the phrase stickers. Those are from the early kits of Felicity Jane before she did die cuts, when she had cut apart stickers. And now I'm just getting some glue on all of my flare and chipboard pieces. I'm also adding some wood veneer arrows as well, and that I'm using my liquid art glitter clear glue for all of that. I also have these epoxy hearts. Those are from, as I said, Felicity Jane. I'll say the arrows and the camera are from Studio Calico, in case anyone is wondering. So I've come to the point where I'm going to do my journaling, so I should probably tell you the story because this layout is almost over. So on certain mornings, my housemate does up some dishes, like if we've had tea or coffee late at night, or maybe a snack, which does happen occasionally. She'll just do a couple dishes, and for some reason, Sadie, and this has only happened in the past year or so, has started sneaking up these stairs. And Nina said she totally sneaks because she doesn't do it when she's in the dining room, or not dining room, the living room, or doing other things in the kitchen. She only does it when she's doing dishes facing away from the door, and obviously the water makes noise. She will come up into my bedroom and then sit on my carpet and face the door. She doesn't try to get in my bed. She doesn't, like, make little noises for me to get up. She just turns around, sits or lays down, and stares at my door like she's on protection detail. And then when I wake up, I'm like, Sadie, what are you doing? She'll turn around and she'll just give me those puppy dog eyes. And so that's why I went with hi, like kind of like Eugene and Tangled. Hi, So, all right, I finished up. I added some Heidi Swap Gold Color Shine. Thank you guys for joining me. I went along on the story. I apologize. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.